I have this paper mache body form that I picked up at Hobby Lobby for about $8. And this paper I've had for a little bit. I had picked it up in the mixed media art section of Hobby Lobby. And I fell in love with it, and I've had it a while. And decided to use it on this form. So I started by just trying to figure out how I was going to cut it out, and measured where the breast area was, as I wanted that to be pretty even, and then folded it over and cut out my markings that I made with a chalk pencil. Now, I knew this was not going to be an easy paper to decoupage, as it felt a little waxy, but I was determined to get it on this body form. And I started by laying it down with my 1 hour enamel and making sure that that breast area was down first, as I knew that was going to be, I wanted it to be even, and make sure by laying that down first. I kind of piecemealed this little by little because of the shape of the body form. Decoupaging around curves is not the easiest thing to do. And I wanted to get the best results that I possibly could. Sometimes you have to cut into your paper or whatever you're using to decoupage to release the tension so you can get around curves. And then you just basically go back and cut out pieces to patch areas that had no paper on it. Now, once covered, I went back and covered the entire project with 1 hour enamel clear and finished my patching. And once dry, I took some sandpaper and gave it a sanding, only because this paper did come out a little wrinkly and I wanted to smooth the surface a little bit. And then I made a second coat of the 1 hour enamel. Once dry, I now had everything together and was happy. I could now decorate it. And I started with these half pearl beads that I got from Dollar General, and using some E6000 placed all around the upper breast area. Now, if you'd like to see other tutorials, you can go to YouTube, or we now have videos on our webpage, chalkitupfancy.com. So I decided I wanted to get a belt on her, so I used some ribbon that I had with some hot glue and just wrapped this around her waist and glued it. And that's what's fun with these body forms. You can do anything you want with just material that you have around the house and items you have around the house. If you go back in our videos, we did do one around Christmas time. So you do see me pulling out these body forms now and then, as I really enjoy putting them together. I had this big material bow that I glued to the side of her belt. And I had this little medallion that had a butterfly in it. I believe I found that over by the mixed media as well. And I took an old leather strapped necklace of mine and wrapped it around her neck and glued it in the back to make it more like a necklace. Now, these are those rub-on transfers that I got at Dollar Tree. They go on just like our transfers. They're little, they're cute, and I had a lot of fun with them. So I'm giving her a few tattoos, and I'm keeping the butterfly theme that's on her necklace. I put one on her back. I had this little clock charm that I put down on her waist. And these you can't see as well, but they are little heart charm rub-on transfers, also from the Dollar Tree. I found a few flowers and just randomly placed them on her dress area. And I started really liking the vibrant pink against this paper. Another butterfly on her shoulder, another set of flowers on her other shoulder. This was lots of fun. So I decided to take some scrap pieces of my transfer. This is Wondrous Floral 2. I always have a box that I put all my leftover pieces in, so I have them for projects like this. As I said, I was really liking the vibrant pink against this paper, so I kind of aimed towards grabbing some of the vibrant pink. And again, this is Wondrous Floral 2. And the transfer, with all the wrinkles and everything, really adhered well and was very forgiving. So I was very pleased. Again, if you want to see other tutorials or videos, chalkitupfancy.com. If you are interested in any paint products or brushes, chalkitupfancy.com, or transfers, chalkitupfancy.com. I found this wooden candlestick at Hobby Lobby, and I'm painting it black. And using some E6000 and some hot glue, I put her on the stand and let her dry for 24 hours. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. For more tutorials, go check us out on YouTube or our webpage, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.